I think we're going to do a bit of a mutiny here and just say, look, we'll ride to the bottom of Colle Sampeyre and call it quits. It's just gone 2 o'clock. We've been riding since 8:30. We've done 1,830 metres of climbing, and we haven't eaten anything yet. A couple of muesli bars. I mean, you got to be joking. I'm surprised they didn't overtake us. I mean, all the room in the world. I gave them the arm. I'm just commenting that we can ride to the base of the Colle Sampeyre, and then that's it. I want to do work on the bike. I'm just not happy with the seat. It's just the pits. Casa Gerardi. Lovely little town. Where's Georgia? That's a worry. In this town, absolutely. I'm just going to have a bit of a film. Where's the petrol station around here? It's a worry. No petrol station. Scusi signore, c'è un distributore per benzina qui, gasolio?
Qui no, puoi andare o a Ceglio.
Cuneo, no?
Cuneo.
Vabbè,
Okay.
chiudiamo un attimo, no?
And after we almost ran out of fuel and the road we were supposed to do was cut off by avalanche or rock slides, we're going to have a bit of a lunch here finally at about 3 o'clock or 3:30. I'm not sure. And that's the view that we've got here. This is San Martino, or the area, little old osteria. Okay, bye bye. In the distance, and maybe see the cows moving there. They're returning from the pastures and fields. Yep, and there's a pastore, a farmer there. Look at them all. What a sound. Magnificent. Oh, a bit of kick in the head, eh? Jeez. Look at them. We're heading towards or near Col d'Agnello tonight, so quite close to the French border. Have a look at that. Look at church over there. We just had lunch. We've left the area of Stropo or Strop, yeah, and there's Elva. We're going to Elva. We got that. I love that little church there. Beautiful. Quale paese? Sampeyre. Sampeyre. I'm assuming that I'm aiming this thing correctly. Beautiful. Great long downhill. And as usual, incredibly long day. That's Torino over in the distance, way down there. And we're heading towards Briançon, the Col d'Agnello. We're supposed to be doing the Col d'Agnello tomorrow morning. And then Izoard.